Hey everyone! Today, I'm diving into a topic that's becoming increasingly relevant as technology evolves: how tech is shaping copyright laws. The intersection of innovation and intellectual property is where things get really interesting. So buckle up, because this could give us a glimpse into the future. First off, let's talk about AI and machine learning. With AI creating art, music, and even scripts, who owns the rights? Currently, copyright laws are pretty murky when it comes to creations by non-humans. But as AI-generated content becomes more prevalent, expect to see new laws specifically addressing AI authorship. Next up, let's chat about blockchain. Blockchain can provide transparent and immutable records of ownership. Imagine a world where every piece of digital content has a verifiable ownership stamp. This could revolutionize how we handle copyright claims and infringements, making it easier to protect original works. Now let's touch on the sharing economy. Platforms like YouTube, Instagram, and TikTok thrive on user-generated content. But this also makes it easy to borrow someone else's work. Future copyright laws might need to strike a balance between protecting creators and allowing the free flow of information and creativity. We can't forget about 3D printing. This technology is making it possible to replicate physical objects, from household items to high-tech gadgets. So, how do we protect the designs and blueprints? This is another area where copyright laws will need to catch up, possibly treating digital designs the same way as traditional copyrighted works. And finally, the global reach of the internet complicates things further. What's copyrighted in one country might be free to use in another. Future copyright laws will likely push for more international cooperation to ensure creators' rights are respected worldwide. To sum it up, technology is pushing the boundaries of what's possible, and copyright laws are struggling to keep up. As we move forward, expect significant changes aimed at protecting creators while fostering innovation. It's a fascinating time to be a tech enthusiast, and I can't wait to see how things unfold. Thanks for tuning in. If you enjoyed this, hit that like button and subscribe for more tech insights. Catch you in the next one. Peace.